Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing the Harry Potter and Ulta Beauty Gryffindor Cosmetic Kit review. The kit retails for $28 and is available on the Ulta Beauty website as well as in Ulta stores. The kit features 4 items which include a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, a tinted lip balm, highlighter beads, and a metallic gel eyeliner that are extremely travel friendly because of this size. I'm also inserting a comparison in size to a standard ABH eyeshadow palette just so you can see how big the kit is. So if you would like to see a review of everything this kit has to offer, just keep on watching. I'm going to swatch all the items in this kit, starting with the eyeshadow palette, then the lip balm, then the eyeliner, and then last the highlighter beads. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm using my e.l.f. contour brush to do the swatches, and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. Acceptance Letter is a champagne shimmer. Parchment is a camel colored matte. Galleons is a gold metallic. Remember All is a burgundy shimmer. Howler is a muted cranberry matte. And Sorting Hat is a deep burgundy matte. This tinted lip balm is a cherry red. This eyeliner is a deep royal purple with a slight metallic shift. I'm using my BH No. 5 pointed highlighter brush, and this is a soft icy pink. Now I'm just going to give you my thoughts on everything. Starting with the eyeshadow palette, all the shades had fallout and all but Howler and Sorting Hat had good pigmentation. Those 2 shades did not apply well at all and it felt extremely dry compared to the others which felt creamy. The lip balm is a very pretty color, it built up beautifully and it doesn't feel sticky. The eyeliner is very creamy and very opaque. It built up amazingly and it applied with ease. It does dry down quite a bit and has very little transfer. The highlighter applied very well and had a nice buildable coverage. This collection compared to the others seems more thought out, and they did a bit better this time around with the shade names. I do wish that the house logo was on every item in the set and not just the eyeshadow palette, because there's no way of telling which is which. Overall, I think this is well worth the money. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well as turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.